Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust valve clearance on a Honda Civic. First, gather your essential tools, including a feeler gauge, a 10mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. It's crucial that your engine is completely cold, so let it sit overnight. Then, carefully remove the valve cover and its gasket to access the valves. Next, you'll need to locate top dead center, or TDC, for cylinder 1. Rotate the crankshaft until the piston is at its highest point. Verify this by aligning the marks on the camshaft sprocket with the top of the cylinder head. This precise positioning is vital for accurate valve clearance measurements. Now, use your feeler gauge to measure the clearance between the rocker arm and the valve stem. For instance, intake valves might be around 0.008 inches and exhaust valves around 0.010 inches. If adjustment is needed, loosen the lock nut. Turn the adjusting screw until the feeler gauge slides with slight drag, then retighten the lock nut while holding the screw. After adjusting all valves, it's time for reassembly. Install a new valve cover gasket and carefully place the valve cover back on. Torque the valve cover bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 7.2 foot-pounds. Finally, start your engine and listen for any unusual ticking or tapping sounds, which could indicate further adjustment is needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.